Everything in this world exists in harmony with the nature, and the nature treats us according to what we do for the nature. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me to share my experience with you today. As you know, a pandemic has spread all around the world with killing hundreds of thousands of people, with infecting millions. So, I also have a horrible experience with this pandemic, as I also have infected this pandemic. So, last couple of months, there was a funeral at our village, and my uncle has gone there. So, at the funeral, my uncle has infected this pandemic and he came back home, and after few days he showed some symptoms like breathing problems, headache and fever. Then my grandfather asked him to go to hospital and get medicine. He went to hospital and few hours passed and he called us. I have infected this pandemic, so I was carried to a camp for quarantine. So we were really afraid at that time. And gradually my sister has infected this pandemic as she has chat with my uncle on that day. So few days passed and I was really afraid, and I was really sad about my sister and my uncle, as I spent my whole time with my sister. So I did my day-to-day activities well, but one day in the evening I felt some difficulties like breathing problems, headache and fever. So I was in a really dangerous situation than my sister and my uncle. So my parents decided to carry me to a hospital, and they called 1990 ambulance service. So but at that time the ambulance has gone somewhere. So my parents carried me to the nearest hospital of our village quickly. Then when we go to hospital, a doctor came and asked, "Dear daughter, did you get a PCR?" Then I said no. Then he said, so we can't get you for our hospital as all patients who are in this hospital are positive. So I don't know whether you are positive or not. So please go another hospital and first get a PCR. Then my parents asked an ambulance from them also. Then they said, sorry, our ambulance also has gone somewhere, so wait for few hours. Then my parents didn't like to it and they carried me to another hospital from our own vehicle. When we go to another hospital, we waited few minutes in front of the hospital as anyone didn't come. After few minutes, a doctor came and she said, "Dear daughter, please follow me to get a PCR." Then I went with the doctor and the doctor got a PCR from me. After few hours, the doctor said, "Dear daughter, you are positive, so right now you want to admit to the hospital." I don't know what happened to me and what should I do, as they neglected to be with my parents with me. So I was really sad and I was unable to believe. So they showed me a room to go. Then when I go to that room, I was unable to believe there were lots of patients, but there were only few beds. So on the first night I spent my night on the floor. On the first day, a doctor came and got some information from me, and other days but doctors didn't come, unfortunately. At that time I understood there was a problem of our health system. So on the second day I felt some symptoms again, like at that time I was unable to breathe. I thought my life will not be longer. So it's a really sad and it's a really horrible situation for me. So I said about that a patient who close to me, and the patient said to a doctor. And the other thing is, at hospital everything was going on a mic, as there is a mic in our room, and if we want to ask something or tell something to a doctor, we want to go in front of the mic and we could say it to the mic. So at that time a patient shouted, "Dear doctors, please come. A girl can't breathe well and please check her." So after few hours I woke up. I don't know what happened to me. I saw doctors has given me a saline. So I asked a patient what happened to me and what did the doctors do. So they at that time they said a doctor came and they gave you a saline and an injection and oxygen. So actually it's a really dangerous situation for me. I thought my life will not be long. So I spent my third day also, and fourth day a patient said to me, "Dear daughter, I suppose it is better to go home than being in this hospital." At that time, I also understood going home is really good than in that hospital. So I decided to come to my home, and I asked from my doctor, "Dear doctor, please let me to go. I can quarantine at my house." Then they said, okay daughter, if you feel you are good, you can go." Then in the evening, I came to my home. When I come to my home, it is happy to say my parents give me a amazing treatment than hospital. Actually, at hospital I didn't drink even hot water also. All the days I drank normal water. But in my house, every day my mother gave me decoction and I inhaled every day, and I wore masks, as my family is my life and everything is my family. So I wore my masks for saving my family members. My parents gave me a amazing treatment, so after few days I was able to stand. And at the hospital I lost my taste and I lost smell. I couldn't smell nothing and I couldn't taste nothing, so I didn't eat at hospital. But in my home my mother gave me foods that I like to eat, so I felt good at my house. And this is my experience with this pandemic. And as a toastmaster I said some strange thing uh, before starting my speech. It is, everything in this world exists in harmony with the nature, and the nature treats us according to what we do for the nature. Maybe you have a question, why did I say like that? As a taught master, I would like to say, as people touch your hearts and ask from your hearts, have you ever done something on behalf of the nature? So please, learn a lesson from this situation, as the nature is teaching us a good lesson. As you know, people are isolated. They don't care about family member, even their family members. So this is a good lesson for learning in this situation. As you know, people put a great deal of polythene to the nature. So the nature also wrapped by polythenes. So the nature is teaching a lesson. It is, the doctors is playing a major role in this situation, but we can't see them. And sometimes we can't identify even other doctors also, as they were wrapped by polythenes. So it's the lesson that we can learn from this situation. So I would like to request you, please do something for the nature and save your family members and others. It's our duty. So if we do good things for the nature also replies us well. So this is my request, and think a little bit about my request. So wear masks and keep social distance and wash your hands always, and save your family members and others. Thank you.